Hello, welcome back to the workshop. Right, today I'm going to do a quick video on this Lidl Parkside Grinder belt sander. It's the PSBS 240C2, and what's come up is a query over the tensioning of the belt here, okay, and what these are for. So it's not going to be a long video. Let me just show you it working very quickly. Okay. So this here, let me unplug that for a minute. This here, let me just take it a bit and show you. So you have this here or here, that doesn't control, it takes a tension on and off the belt, and this adjusts the tracking. So what we're just going to do is whip the side off and show you that. So we just flip that out of the way. We can then open this. Let's loosen those off. Okay, so this here controls this here. So if I pull that down, that detensions the belt and I can take the belt off. And then we can actually see what it does a little bit easier. So if I then tip this in, show you. Okay, so that does that, and there is a spring here, and this pushes this up and down. There isn't any adjustment in that. Basically, that is a two-position device, and it's either up or it's down. There is no adjustment in that. What this knob does is it adjusts the tracking. So if I turn it this way, hold on, and then I can turn it back the other way, you can see it pushing, angling this like this. That's all that does. So if I put that back on, so take the tension off. Incidentally, this wheel at the top you can just lift out, but it has got a pair of flats on that side which correspond to a slot in there that is square sided. So it needs to go back in correctly. Okay, so we put that back on. Let me just see if we can still see which way around this is supposed to run. I can't quite. I think it's supposed to run that way around, but never mind. We slide that belt back on. Slide that up, and you can see if I turn that, you can see the whole belt moving. So we now plug this back in. So say it adjusts the tracking. You can see there the tracking is off and it's just throwing the belt. So I'll just detension that. You can move that down like that, and you can, I think what we need to do is bring it in like that. It's running off on the bottom. I'm just going to make sure that's properly put on the bottom wheel. So there you go. This basically this knob here either puts tension on or off, and this one here governs the tracking. That's it, and that's all the controls are on this version. If you take the belt off, you should be able to see what does what under here. So that's that video. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Questions welcome.